초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another lingerie panty ang ating i-haul and review. This is a bikini panty. So without further ado, let's begin. This is my new collection, a bikini panty. Look at this, parang ang laki, no? Look at that. This is a lace lingerie sa front. Ganda ng style niya. The lace is so good, nice quality material, and also here, wow, nice na nice, good quality product, and also here, nice quality. Oh wow, large pala ito, kaya pala ang laki. This is 95% cotton at 5% elastin. So cotton po ito, kaya cool na cool po ito. Maganda po ito sa isuot. Talagang okay. Look at this. The quality is good. And here also the quality is good quality sewing. Look at this. And also in the clothes. Perfect. This is so perfect. Tamang-tama ito. Simple but elegant po ang kanyang style. Pwedeng-pwede ito sa mga may almo. Okay na po ito. Talagang wala nang sasabitan pa. So, look at this. Nice. Very, very elegant ang style niya. Kapag sinuot mo to, you feel sexy for this. An elegant style. Look at this lace. So elegant. Look at that. And the garter is good. Smooth na smooth po pati dito. Nice. So, kapag i-rate po natin ito ng 1 to 10, I give it perfect 10. So, this is an light old rose color. Very nice. Kaya kung bibili kayo, this is good. The sewing is good. The quality, the material, perfect. And also, this is an affordable lingerie panty. So, that is for today for our sexy bikini lace lingerie panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.